Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can deactivate your echo on Bandlab. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, there are two types of echoes in Bandlab. There is Studio Reverb, which is an effect that you can add to your actual recording, and there is monitoring. Monitoring is basically hearing yourself while you're recording in real time so that you can hear what your audio looks like, and I'll show you how that looks like in a bit. But first, let me explain what Bandlab is. It is a free online software for editing and recording sound. Pretty much you can record either your voice or on MIDI instruments, edit them and export them and publish them to the internet. Now, as you can see, I have added a Studio Reverb effect to this piece of audio, and let's listen to it. Okay, so this is a test piece of audio, and that's pretty much the echo that you're thinking of. Just to remove it, go into effects and just click on the X and it'll be removed. Okay, so this is, as you can hear here. Now, if you have monitoring turned on, that is available only for the mobile as far as I'm aware. So to actually deactivate it, what you want to do is on web you can actually find it here as well. You can find it in the source, I guess, or where is it located? Source category in the bottom left of the studio. I haven't found that. I for some reason can't seem to find it, but never mind. That's how you do it on PC. You can turn it on and turn it off from here. However, if you are on mobile, just go to the bottom right here next to auto pitch and you will find this headphone button. Just turn it off and everything should be fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you next time.